everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Mosun. I record videos on faith, lifestyle, and everything in between. If you're not new but a returning subscriber, you are the real MVP. Thank you so much for coming back and rocking with me with yet another video. So in this video, I am going to show you guys this new ponytail that I got from Freetress Equal, which is the Tingle Pony in the color 1B. I purchased this during the holidays when they had like the clearance sale. This is what it looks like on the card. So that's the ponytail. This is it. If you want to see me install this ponytail and give you back my feedback, then keep on watching. Before we go into that video, if you are here and you are not subscribed, please take the moment to subscribe to my channel. You can do so by clicking the red subscribe button right down below, followed by the bell notification so that you can be informed once I upload a video. So let's get into this tutorial. All right, guys, I'm starting out with 1 week old hair. This hair has been blow dried on medium heat, and I just put in 2 cornrows last week. So I'm just going to start brushing my hair into a ponytail. I'm positioning it about mid back of my hair. I've already twisted the ends of my hair. I'm just trying to do a no tension ponytail. As you guys can see, it's midway back, and I'm just gonna twist and rotate my hair because it's already twisted at the end, and put that in a bun. As you guys can see, I'm not going for something perfect because the bun will be covering this, but yes, that's pretty much what I am going to do. Now I am going to begin by spraying my parameters with water just to get my hair a little bit damp so that the gel would have something to stick to. Now this is the Eco Starter Flaxseed and Black Castor Oil gel that I'm going to be using. I generally do not, and I say I do not, lay my edges. I'm not a fan of that, but being that I decided not to slick down my whole ponytail, I am just gonna do where I part for the middle and then do some type of laying down of my edges. I generally don't do this, but just for the look of this video, I would do so. Now, I did not want to put gel throughout my whole hair because I plan to wash my hair in a couple of days, and if anybody knows, if you use gel, it's a lot of work just to get the gel out of your hair in the first place. So that is what I am doing right now, giving myself a little long sideburn just for the look, but I'm just gonna add gel to the perimeters of my hair, and then I would lay it down afterwards. Alright, so now I'm going to lay this down, and I'm just going to probably do it for like about an hour while I take a shower and come back, and then put on the bun. So I'm just going to lay that and then just take another scarf just to cover my entire hair. I'm not trying to make it super flat, I'm just trying to make it presentable. Okay guys, I'm back. My face is beat, and now I'm gonna take off the wrapping and the scarf to see my edges, and they survived. So let's get into the bun. Okay guys, so the ponytail that I'm going to use is this Freetress Equal Drawstring Ponytail that looks like this. Yeah, so this is the ponytail I will be using. It's the Tingle Pony in 1B. I got this from Sam's Beauty, I think around the holidays because they were having a sale. I don't remember how much I got it for, but I know it was cheaper than usual that I would buy a ponytail. So this is how it comes packaged, and I'm just going to take this out. So this is the Tingle Ponytail. This is how it looks like. I feel like I'm gonna fluff it out, but I'm just gonna put it on just as is. And it has 2 wig combs inside. I don't know, you guys can see one right here, and then the other one right here by the tag, and then the drawstring. I think I'm gonna do it as it looks this way, and that's with the other clip and not the drawstring area with the tag. And put that on my hair and turn for you guys can see. So I'm putting the first clip, securing it underneath my ponytail, and then doing the same at the top, and then drawing and tighten that. Yep. And then wrap it around. That's just my own security, because I've had my ponytail fall off of me in public before, and I was just like, yep, nope, we're not doing that again. So yes, guys, this is so cute. Actually, awesome. I like it. I like it so much. That's the back. And this is the front. I think it looks so cute. So cute. So cute. Some people might not like, oh, your hair's too puffed up in the front, but you know, if I was to slick it down, it wouldn't be a problem. But me, as per me, because I'm the one wearing the ponytail, I'm okay with it. But this is so cute. Now, I think I wanted to like fluff it out a little bit, but I'm okay. Like, I'm just gonna fluff it out with my hands just a little bit, but that's about it. Like, I'm not gonna like brush it out the way I intended to. But this is a move. This is a vibe. This is a look. And I am loving it. Okay. So yes, this is the Freetress Equal Drawstring Ponytail in Tingle Pony. I don't know if Sam's Beauty would still have. I believe they would. So I will put a link down in the description box if you're interested in getting a ponytail. But this is simple. Like, you wouldn't even have to do a center part like I did, or like, I generally do not lay my edges, but for the purpose of this video, I did a little something, you know, a little something. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I like this ponytail. It's very soft. It's not like hard and or plasticky. It feels quite natural in a sense. It looks well. The corals are great. I like it. It's full. I really appreciate that it's full. But yes, I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you have not subscribed already, please take the moment to subscribe by clicking the red subscribe button down below, followed by the bell notification, so that you can be informed when I upload new videos. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care and God bless. Bye.